These adhesive mounts are a godsend. Now I'll tell you step by step what to do. First, separate the mounts and connect the two parts. You'll hear a click. Next, you need to remove the protective film from one side of the mount and stick the adhesive layer to the back wall of your picture. Make indents from the edge of 1 centimeter. Press well and hold for 30 seconds. So that you can hang the picture evenly without effort, use a level. Remove the protective film and stick it on top of your picture. Don't worry, it is easily removed. It is not included in the 3M command set, but is included in Levitana kits. For next, clean the wall of dust. Remove the film and carefully hang the picture, guided by the level so that the bubble is in the middle. Press the picture well, carefully remove it, press the mounts for 30 seconds. Wait hour and you can hang your picture. Press lightly until it clicks. Remove the level. Enjoy the result. With these hooks, you can easily change your artwork without removing the wall mounts. And the great thing is that they are easy to remove. To avoid damaging the wall, grab the tab at the bottom and slowly pull it straight down parallel to the wall until the tape comes off. It is worth remembering that they cannot be used on vinyl coverings or wallpaper, above the bed, on freshly painted walls, more weight than indicated on the packaging.